friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on a vlog. We had an expo near our place and we visited that. So this vlog will be on a tour on the expo. The expo was properly at Kattupakam near Punnamalli. They had a lot of varieties of fishes for sale and show. The price ranges started from rupees 30 to 500. The entrance fee of the expo is 30 for adults and for kids less than 5 it's free of cost. The fishes were so colorful. And my daughter was also very happy that she doesn't want to move from that place. There were a lot of varieties of fishes, starting from small guppies to red cap varieties. There were also electric eels. I forget to shoot it. And here are few tortoises. These costed about 500 for a pair. And looked so attractive. And this was about the aquarium show. Moving on, we had some flower arrangements. While seeing the poster, I thought that would be natural, but those were artificial flowers. Few characters had been built with these artificial flowers, starting from elephant, ox like structure, but it didn't actually look like a bull. Butterflies, peacock, and so. They also had some few cartoon characters built up with these artificial flowers. But the show was okay for 30 rupees. They also had some cartoon characters where you can take stills. All TV show cartoon characters were there. And moving on, we had some stalls where they're selling some kitchen gadgets and home appliances, choppers, homemade masalas. And further moving, there were accessories stalls. Those were cheap and colorful. I picked a few. I will show you what I have shopped in the end of this video so that you can check it out. There were stalls for clothes and shoes. Some game shows were there where you can pay and play. There are many amusements for kids. Horror shows, Snow World. Few amusement rides. Boating for kids, which was a center of attraction. For each ride, they costed about 30 to 50 rupees, and that was reasonable, quite okay. All kids were jumping and playing here and there. That was very good to see. And here are my shoppings. I found this earrings for about just 40 rupees, and this one costed about 30 rupees. It is pretty good. And I found this hand blender made of stainless steel there, and this costed just 100 rupees. This is good to smash potatoes, boiled potatoes, spinach and dal. It's also good to beat eggs. The packing says it is 108 rupees and the seller gave me for 100 rupees. However, I will show you the usage in another video. It's good and pretty looking. So that's it about the video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If you really like the video, please give me out a very big thumbs up. Do subscribe and support. And that's my daughter for you. Thanks for watching House to Home.